Alright people, I got bumper problems. I.e., I have too many bumpers. Or I like bumpers too much. It's like saying I got girl problems, but I got bumper problems. So we're on our way to Tampa today to get a new bumper for the M3. Why in the world am I getting a new bumper for the M3? Well, let me explain. Now, why am I getting a new bumper? So I've got a CSL bumper on it right now, and no, I'm not selling it as a Vorsteiner CSL bumper, which Vorsteiner doesn't make those bumpers anymore, so I'm gonna keep it, just in case I want to put it on one day or change things back up. But the reason I'm getting this bumper, which is a stock BMW E46 M3 bumper, already in jet black, the reason I'm getting this bumper is because I'm turning this car into a race car, and the stock bumper, you can pop out the fog lights and get a brake cooling kit to cool the front brakes, and you can't do that with the CSL bumper, at least not that I have found. So I found this bumper. It is used, it is the right model, and it's jet black already, but let's go get ourselves a bumper. I got 99 problems, but a bumper ain't one. Cause I got two bumpers. I got two bumpers, see? I got bumper problems. Why I got bumper problems is cause bumpers can make or break a car or a truck. I've learned this through building trucks. You see, if you put the wrong bumper on a car, it just throws the whole aesthetic off. But the right bumper can really make it, can do wonders. But there's more than just aesthetics for the M3. This CSL bumper is solid. I love it. I will be keeping it, and it's gonna stay on the car for, to be honest with you, probably a couple months. But that E46 M3 bumper, the stock bumper from BMW, I'll be holding on to that. We'll get a splitter for it. So bottom line, I got a stock E46 M3 bumper so that I can I got a stock E46 M3 bumper. These birds are so loud. I got a stock E46 M3 bumper so I could run a brake cooling kit, but I'm gonna hold off because I'm still trying to save for this roll cage. Roll cage is still priority number one, but I got a good deal on this bumper, so I couldn't pass it up. That's what we got. Just trying to build a race car here, folks. Stop it, birds! Just trying to build a race car. I hope you can relate. I'm kind of not good at this vlogging thing, but I hope you guys are enjoying what I'm making. All right. Hope you're enjoying the videos. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. We'll get there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you soon. This sucks, having low car and no workspace. Let's buy a shop. Uh-oh, here comes the dog. And hello, it's me.